Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the perimeter. Inventory, admin, and service accounts, then enable multi-factor authentication for every privileged login so a stolen password alone won't lock you out. Once done, remove or rotate any shared credentials and set conservative session timeouts to limit silent takeover. Make sure to schedule a change window and notify stakeholders. This prevents surprise automated responses. You'll also capture a baseline log snapshot, so you can identify abnormal state changes quickly if something tries to force a lockout. Next, you implement the controls that stop a system from becoming irreversibly locked. Apply least privilege with role-based access control so processes can't escalate themselves. This limits blast radius. Then configure adaptive lock thresholds and automated safe unlock procedures tied to verified incident workflows so legitimate admins can regain access without global outage. Also provision 1 or 2 break glass accounts kept in a hardware-backed vault. Use them only with monitored approvals. These steps reduce both accidental and malicious lock scenarios while keeping auditability intact. Finally, you validate and finalize the plan by running failover and restore drills so you prove you can recover without service-wide lockouts. This shows why your controls work. Make sure backups and snapshots are verified and retention matches your recovery time objectives. Document a concise recovery runbook with contacts, explicit steps, and timeouts so responders move quickly. If a lock does occur, follow the vault-approved break glass and staged recovery path to regain control safely, then post-mortem to prevent recurrence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.